Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, Frindai Anui, Vonadigion, Abonadi Gessai. Kedves barátaim, hölgyeim és uraim! Welcome to our first online concert. My name is Elizabeth Sillo. I'm the organizer of the Welsh-Hungarian concert. You might know that 1 year ago we organized a wonderful concert in Kunagota, in the Welshest village in Hungary. In that concert, Hajna Lehocki, Tamás Egresi, and István Sipos joined me. The concert was so successful that quite a few articles have been written about it. You can find all of them here in the website of Magyar Kömri. You might know that we started the Welsh-Hungarian concerts in Cardiff in 2017 with Dorothy Singh, the director of the Kodály Kids Kömri. In that time they were called Kodály Violin School. After that, we had quite a few very successful concerts in Wales and in Hungary as well. I would like to invite you now to our first Welsh-Hungarian online Christmas concert, and I would like to thank you for everyone who joined us. You can see the list of performance on the website, and I would like to say special thanks to Balint Brunner, who helps me in this project. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Nadolig Klaven, boldog karácsonyt!